I am in love with Cure's Micro-Infusion system. This is the finest microneedling at home that you can find. It starts out with these incredible 24-karat gold-plated needles that you use only one time, so it all stays super sanitary and clean. And then you have two different serums you can choose from. You have the rejuvenating for dark spots and uneven skin tone, and the hydro soothing for those fine lines and wrinkles. You can use them individually or you can mix them up. It also comes with all the extra needle tops you need for all of your sessions and a lovely headband to keep your hair out of your face. Each at-home session is very simple and fast. Simply open up your serum and pour it into the bottle that connects to the needles. Twist on those needles tightly and then tip it upside down for a couple minutes so the needles start to collect the serum. While that's happening, make sure your skin is super clean, and same with your fingers. And then it's time to go. Open those needles for the first time. They are super, super fine. I really don't notice them. It's the finest of pricks. And then it has a lovely graph that you'll basically follow to work around your whole face, kind of layering over your prior microneedling line. And you really can go everywhere. You can get close to your eyes. You'll definitely want to get your 11s and your frown lines. And you can even work down your nose and along your neck. And in the end, I went over all the spaces that I really wanted to pay attention to 2 to 3 more times, depending on the spot, as I wanted this to really kick in. Once I was finished with my microneedling, I took all of that extra serum and tapped it in. This was my first time using it. My face is a little tingly and inflamed, but it also feels so good. I made sure to clean everything up and throw away the used needles and serum bottle, and I was good to go. Now this is the next day. My skin is already glowing. I cannot wait to see how much of a difference this infusion system makes over the next 3 months. I definitely recommend the Qure Micro-Infusion system.